Hello, my name is Nils Thiers. I'm the IT project manager for LearnMed Pro, and here's a short introduction and guideline in how we plan on using Google user data for LearnMed Pro, our app that we are publishing. So first off, we just want to demonstrate how we do it. We want to show you what data we collect, how we plan on using it, and how we make sure to ensure compliance and security. So currently our plan is that whenever a user logs in with Google on our Android app, we will be asking for their given name, family name, their email address, and that's it. We will not be accessing any restricted or sensitive data, such as access to their Gmail, Google Drive, or anything else. The reason why we need this data is for authentication and registration to our Android application. And this is because we want to eliminate the need for additional usernames and passwords for our users. It enables a faster and a more secure login, since many users can have two-factor authentication and other security measures on their Google application. And overall, the registration process examples here will be as such. So initially, we ask the users for some initial data that we are not asking from Google. Basically, we're asking them to tell a bit about themselves and what type of user they are. And then once they've entered all this data, we will be asking them to either register with Google here or register with their email. And here I have an example of my personal email as if I was a fresh user who was registering, and I will be and what data we will be requiring from our users and from Google. So the login process is pretty similar. Essentially, our users can choose whether they want to sign in with Google or log in with their email. And if they choose to sign in with Google, the window is shown here. And as you see with registration, the login also only requires name, email address, and profile picture. But in reality, we are mainly using only name and email address. So to make sure that we are secure and compliant with Google's guidelines, we are using OAuth 2.0 authentication, which is the Google's secure authentication protocol. We are collecting the most minimal amount of data that we require. We are not sharing our data. We are not selling any data. The users are able to revoke their access anytime and request for their data to be deleted. And for security, we are using Laravel Socialite for our backend to make sure that all data that is stored in a secure way. How users can manage access and remove their access is pretty similar as with most Google apps. So they need to go on their Google permissions page, go to their account settings, go to their third-party apps with account access, find the LearnMed Pro app, and click Remove Access. So a short summary is that we only use Google Sign-in for authentication. We are not accessing any sensitive data whatsoever, and the users are always in full control of their data. Thank you very much, and if you have any additional questions, you can email me at nils@bdesign.ee or our client and app owner at info@heaote.ee. Thank you very much.